We went on a weekend caravan holiday in Suffolk, so we thought it was a great opportunity to stop off at the Wendy's at the Colchester services because it's my husband's favourite fast food burger joint in America, so he wanted to see if it was the same. I found the menu a little bit complicated, but my husband had no problem with it whatsoever. I like that you can go large on your fries but not necessarily on your drink, because sometimes I don't fancy a large drink. My husband brought the napkins over and he'd screwed them up in his hand, which I found a little bit annoying because it looked like someone had blown their nose on them. Anyway, this is the food that we got. The fries are the best fries, without a doubt. They're really yummy. Then we've got these little spicy chicken nuggets, which were proper spicy, but they were pretty average, to be honest. We tried a chicken burger that we had kind of had half and half. Again, it's just like a giant size one of those nuggets, and it was fine. I've had better chicken burgers, but the actual burgers, that was mine. I ordered mine without cheese, so I had to send it back. And while they were making me a new one, this is my husband's. Here he goes. He's going to have a bite just to see if it's any as good as he remembered, and he absolutely loved it. He said it was absolutely banging, just as good as he remembered. This is my burger back out now, so yeah, I'll have mine without cheese. My patty's slightly smaller than his. We've got a gherkin, tomato, lettuce, and it was so fresh. And this is their milkshake. It's so thick it comes with a spoon.